Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on how to get free traffic to your affiliate URLs. Now, I'm going to give you a very powerful and effective strategy that is going to send a flood of traffic to your affiliate URLs. But before I do, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link below this video in the description, and you're free to check it out. No pressure, totally up to you. If you've got a brand new affiliate URL, or maybe you've got an existing site that you've been building out some content on, but the traffic just isn't there, you're just not seeing the traffic that you need to convert into sales and make money, then I want you to check out this method I'm about to share with you. Now, keep in mind, we're aiming for free traffic here, but that doesn't mean it's going to be super easy. You'll need to dedicate some time to cultivating this traffic, but trust me, in the end, it will be totally worth it. The strategy is all about finding low competition keywords that you are going to start creating content around. What this strategy does is that it ensures that the content on your affiliate URL is showing up in the first page of Google results and hopefully in the first 3 to 5 results within that first page. And here's how it works. First, you need to go to one of the many keyword planning tools out there. Of course, there's Google Keyword Planner, there's SEMrush, there's SpyFu, there's Ahrefs and Moz. I mean, there's just kind of a variety of them. Now, Google Keyword Planner, of course, is totally free, and so you can get as many keywords as you want on there. The other ones, you can get some keywords for free, and that might be good to start you off. But if you really want to take it to the next level and get hundreds of keywords, you're going to need to pay for one of those. But here's the absolute key. Each one of these keyword planning tools will show you the competition level for that particular keyword or keyword phrase, right? So for example, in Google Keyword Planner, if you search for a keyword phrase in your niche, you can actually sort all the keyword results by competition from high to low. So you could kind of sort it backwards, so you're looking at all the low competition keywords first. Now in SEMrush and some of the other ones, they classify the terminology as keyword difficulty, right? So you want to find words that are very low keyword difficulty if you're going to use one of those tools. Next, you want to make sure that each of these keywords that are low competition also have some search results, right? You don't want them to be zero, but you want to see that they're getting about 500 to 1,000 searches every month. And you also want to make sure that they make logical sense, because you're going to make content on your affiliate URL or website that is going to have the title, which is the keyword, right? So you don't want it to be some gobbledygook bunch of words thrown together. You want it to be a real phrase, and there's plenty of them out there. Next, you are going to write or create content specifically about that low competition keyword in your list. You're going to want to make this some quality content. You don't have to make it really long, but what you want to do is you want to teach one or two simple things about that keyword phrase that is the subject of the blog article or the content piece, and you want to teach one or two quick little things about that in the article, and so that you're providing value to your reader, to your visitor, and so when they're done reading the article, they've actually got value, and it gives them a reason to know, like, and trust you. And so what you're doing is you're taking that low competition keyword and you are creating content specifically geared towards that low competition keyword, and it vastly increases your chances of showing up in the first page of the Google search results. So let's say that you've got a list of keywords that's 100 keywords, and you've written or created 10 pieces of content around 10 of those different low competition keywords, right? And each one of those keywords is getting about 1,000 searches a month. So that's 10 articles and 10 keywords that are getting 1,000 searches a month. So that's actually 10,000 search volume kind of coming your way each month through the search engines. Now, of course, you're not going to get clicks on every one of those searches because you might be in the top 3 or top 5. But even if you get 50% of those search results clicks, that's 5,000 search traffic coming to your doorstep. Now think about it in the next logical step. If you had 20 or 50 articles or 100 articles or pieces of content on your affiliate URL, well, that would represent 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 searches that are flowing your way. Now, even if you got 50% of those clicks coming to your site, that would be 50,000 people visiting and reading your articles and your blog posts every single month. And even if you had just a 2% conversion rate on those 50,000 visitors, you'd be getting 1,000 sales every single month. So, depending on what your affiliate product is, I mean, that could be a huge amount of money. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. This is a lot of content to produce. And in some sense, it is. And I'm not saying that it's not going to be any work. And this is going to take 3 to 6 months or a little bit more to get all this content, kind of built out over time. And it's going to take a little while for the search engine algorithms to find you and see that you're providing a lot of content. But once you start to see that trickle of traffic come in and you can continue to create content around these low competition keywords, you're going to start to see the flood of traffic that starts coming to your website. The other wonderful thing is all these content pieces that you're making this one time, they're going to be driving traffic and conversions and sales every single day for years to come. That brings up a point. With all this traffic coming to your website, you want to make sure that you're monetizing your website, your affiliate URL properly. The best way to do this is with affiliate products that are in your niche. If you have some really good affiliate products that when you recommend them to your customers, to your readers and your visitors, if they're good products that are actually going to help the people that are coming to your affiliate URL because they're looking to solve a problem or they're looking for some answers, you've got some good products. You're going to kind of pepper your affiliate product links throughout your articles, in relevant ways when you're talking to people about the keywords that you've researched, and throughout there you're going to recommend some of these products to them. You might have some banner ads off to the right or left of your articles. You might have a banner ad at the bottom, at the end of the article. But as long as you have these affiliate links, throughout your articles and around them, over time, you are definitely going to convert a certain percentage of your visitors into sales. And those sales are going to be streaming into your bank account day after day for years to come from all this content that you've created based on these low competition keywords. I want to emphasize, especially when you're putting affiliate links in your articles, you want to do so in a non-salesy, kind of a non-greasy salesman type of way. You don't want to be, pushing your products hard on people because, that just comes across real scammy. But if your affiliate links are relevant to the content and the teaching that you're giving them, that totally makes sense. Or, at the end of the article, you provided them some good value, and then you just say, hey, can I recommend a product to you? Here's the link. That is acceptable to so many people because you've given them value before you've asked for anything. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is clicking with you. You could see that you're not competing against the really big sites that are targeting those juicy keywords that everybody knows about. Like if you're in weight loss, of course everybody's targeting lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks or easy weight loss or something like that. But you're targeting these low competition keywords. You already know they're low competition because Google has identified them as such. And so these are going to be easy ones to get ranked up in the search engine. And once you multiply that effort, over the many articles, you really start to get a good flood of traffic that's moving towards your website. And as long as you've got your affiliate links in there and some banner ads, that is going to be super easy to convert to some real sales. Now, if you want to get a real head start or a real jump on this strategy so that you can kind of shorten the amount of time it takes to start seeing the traffic and the sales for conversions coming into your website, I want to just recommend a product that I have been using that has really helped me to jumpstart my way to a six-figure income. And I'm going to put the link right below this video in the description, and you can check it out and see what you think. Of course, no pressure. It's totally up to you, but I hope you'll check it out and just give it a chance. Thanks, and take care.